But for the last 2 years, in a little place called Castlebridge in County Wexford, a family concern has been manufacturing motor cars. And they have enjoyed so far 100% saleability. They have sold every car they've made. Mind you, they've only made 14, but nevertheless, they've sold every car they have made. And we thought we would like to let you see the car on the Late Show tonight. So we asked them to get into the motor car and drive it up to the Late Show tonight. And they did that, all the way from Wexford. And they hit the environs of Dublin, out around Foster's Avenue somewhere. And there it is. It's the TMC Costin, TMC standing for Thompson Manufacturing Company, and Costin being the name of the car designer. Quite clearly, it's not a car designed for mum, dad, and the 4 kids and the dog taking a run Sunday afternoon. It is a performance car with 7 days a week fun thrown in. And because it's hand-built in County Wexford, you can have a high degree of customization, on your particular car. I mean, your own choice of color combination and styling and special markings, even your name in big red letters if you want it. It's a Bitsa in the grand tradition. That's to say it's made of bits of lots of other cars, and it comes in 3 different degrees of Ford engine power and accessories, which of course means 3 different prices. And if you want, you can buy the car in kit form and build it all up yourself. Not only did we take it along the road, but we took the car into our studio, and here it is, the TMC Costin. How about that? Irish made and built. Now, this is Peter Thompson, who's a member of the family whose idea it was and who are building it at the moment. And this is Noelle Campbell-Sharpe, publisher, magazine publisher, and businesswoman extraordinaire. We'll find out about her involvement in the operation in just a few moments. Now, you built 14, Peter. I know you worked in Timoney's in Trim, making armoured cars, and around 81, 82, you got the idea and approached Mr. Costin, and he designed this motor car. You have 4 brothers? 4 brothers altogether involved in the business?
There's 4 of us involved in the business.
And how many employees?
We're employing 5 at the moment.
Yeah. So is it fair to say that most of the cars you've made so far have been kind of prototypes, but you sold them?
Up to now, yes, it is.
Yeah. And how much money have you invested in it so far?
The family's invested about 60,000.
60,000? Where'd you get the 60,000?
Begged, borrowed, and nearly stole it.
Really? Yeah. I mean, did you put the farm and the houses and everything else up for hot?
Well, we sold everything we had, including mortgaging my parents' house and farm and everything else.
Your parents' house and farm?
Yeah, I think they're living to regret that.
Yeah. So everything is involved in the motor car, and you've sold...
It's break or bust, yeah.
Yeah, it's break or bust. How do your family feel about that? I mean...
Well, every morning when I get up, my mother says, well, I think you can sell a car today. You know?
Any word, Justin, you can sell a car today. Right, so it's Ford engine then. What else? Tell me the other components, basically.
Well, basically we're using Ford engines, gearbox, axles, hubs, but the body work and chassis work is completely built in Wexford, including suspension systems, using Irish-made components.
Like what?
Well, the tubes for the chassis are made in tube rollers in Kilkenny. The aluminium is made by Alcan. The suspension systems are made in Wexford, fabricated in Wexford.
Yeah. Is that fibre, the body?
No, the fiberglass. No, the body is aluminium and fiberglass. The bottom part is aluminium, top part is fiberglass. The fiberglass actually we make ourselves in Wexford.
Yeah, I see. So you can have 3 different sort of Ford engines, 3 sizes.
Yes, there's an 84, 110, and a silver 130 brake horsepower BDA Costin.
I see. Yeah, it really is sporty, isn't it? May I reach across? And the door opens thusly, sort of semi-gull-winged, eh? Kind of.
Yes, you could say that.
Yes.
Not to be associated with the law, of course.
Indeed, I know that. I'm aware of that, yes. And you need to be pretty nimble to leap in and out, because it's not one, as I said, for taking the mammy and the daddy and the dogs and everything for a drive on Sunday afternoon.
It's simple enough to get
Simple enough, is it?
You get down into it.
Well, you're used to it. You look very well in it. Do that again. Do that again. You look very well in it, yeah.
Yeah, see, your problem, Gary, is too old.
Yeah, I know, that's right. Lay it on. Now close the door. Let's see it with the door completely closed.
There you are.
That's it, yeah. And presumably, is there a hard top?
There is a hard top on the design board, but it's soft top at the moment.
Soft top at the moment, yeah.
That's where the market segment is in soft tops.